In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files shared with you in Google Drive. If you've ever struggled to find a document someone sent you, this walkthrough will show you the most reliable way to surface those files quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and log in to Google Drive. You can do this the same way you usually access your files. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the search bar that spans across the toolbar. This is where we'll start because the search bar isn't just for typing keywords, it also gives you precise filters to target exactly what you need. On the right side of that search bar, click the Advanced Search button. Depending on your interface, it may look like a funnel or a set of sliders. This opens a panel with options that let you refine your search without guessing file names. In the Advanced Search panel, find the Owner dropdown. This setting tells Google Drive whose files to include in your results, which is the key to finding items shared with you. Click the dropdown and choose Not Owned by Me to pull in files that other people own but you can access. This is the quickest option when you're not sure who shared the file but you know it isn't yours. If you do know who shared it, choose Specific Person from the same Owner dropdown. A field will appear beside it where you can enter the person's email address or type their name. As you type, suggestions from your contacts may appear. Select the correct person so Drive looks specifically for files owned by them that are available to you. Take a moment to double-check spelling to avoid missing results. When you're ready, click Search. Your results will update to show files that match the owner filter you selected. From here, you can open the file you need or adjust your query using the same Advanced Search button if you want to try a different owner option. There's also a simple alternative when you just want to browse what's been shared. Look at the left side panel and click Shared with Me. This section lists files and folders that others have given you access to. It's especially useful when you're not searching for something specific and just want to scan recent shares. That's it. Log in, open the advanced search, set the owner to Not Owned by Me, or choose a specific person, enter their details if needed, and click Search. Or head to Shared with Me for a quick browse. Follow these steps and you'll always know where to find files shared with you in Google Drive.